What's up guys, today I just want to make a quick video on my BMW e60. So these are the Pre LCI dials and you can change them to these. These are the LCI style. They're a small bit bigger but you can get smaller ones. I didn't want to upgrade the AC, so I was told by a few people that you can't really do anything unless you upgrade the AC. But what you do is in here you stick a flathead and you pry it out, and this is what it looks like. You will break the clip more than likely just in there, but if you look in here it's perfect and the LED is here. Here's what you change them with. So the way this comes, it comes about 8mm bigger and it has a little bezel around here. You cut off the bezel with a Dremel and you cut this part here. They literally just snap in place. Perfect. They were $5. That's a sweet upgrade for $5, guys.